Hello friends, do you often get runny nose or cough and cold during winter seasons, or being sick every now and then, or hair fall, or feeling of weakness or heaviness in the head? These are all the symptoms of a weak immune system. Immunity plays an important role in how body fights up the foreign organism which enter our body. Yes friends, our immune system is the only mechanism that fight back all the foreign organisms that enter our body, and if the immune system is strong enough, then it can fight back any kind of known or unknown foreign bodies which enter our body, and it can keep us healthy and safe all the time. This is Dr. Pathak and you are watching me on YouTube channel Curly Doctor. Come on, let's learn something new today. As you all know that the nation is facing a worldwide pandemic nowadays, and to fight back all the infections, immune system has a key role in it. Today in this video I will be describing you about few body protection mechanisms. Then I will be explaining about some simple and Ayurvedic home remedies that you can practice for 15 to 30 days, and that will boost your immune system and help your body to fight back any kind of diseases. And in the end of this video, I will be telling you about a medicine that will naturally boost your immunity and help you fight back against infections. Let's get started. Friends, the skin present in our human body is a perfect mechanism of protection for the body. Any kind of a microorganism cannot enter inside the body until and unless the skin is punctured or ruptured. So if you have any kind of open wounds, then you are liable to any kind of infections that can enter your bloodstream. But if your skin is intact, then no organism can enter inside your body. The second method of protection that human body has is the saliva in your mouth. Yes, you heard it right. The saliva in the mouth contains some enzymes which can kill the microorganism and bacteria that enter the body through the mouth or oral cavity. If somehow the bacteria can bypass the oral cavity, then they tend to enter the stomach, and the stomach has the most potent of the acids in the world, that is the hydrochloric acid, which is being secreted inside your stomach. This acid has a pH of around 2, and it can kill any kind of microorganism, that it can even dissolve the razor blades made of stainless steel. So the bacteria are an easy go for that. And one more protective mechanism that is present in the body is the hairs and mucus secretion in the nasal and airway tract. And if the microorganisms are present, then the mucus coating inside the airway tract will capture them and it will avoid them to enter your lungs. But even after all this protective mechanism, if the infectious agent can enter the vital organs of your body, then the human body is designed to give them a heavy fight back by the world's most advanced and most capable security system, that is your immune system. Now I will be describing you how you can boost your immune system to protect yourself from any kind of airborne or microbial diseases. Friends, God has designed this human body in such a way that it is capable of fighting back against any kind of known or unknown organism that try to intrude into the body. These kinds of organisms can be from any species like bacteria or viruses or protozoas or any other microorganism. Ayurveda focuses on the body's own power to fight the diseases, and while practicing this system, there are chances of least or no side effects at all. There are a few known natural herbs that can boost your immunity. The first of one is the turmeric. You have to just take 1 teaspoon of turmeric and add a pinch of salt in it, and early in the morning you have to eat it directly with lukewarm water. If you practice this for 15 days twice a day, then I bet your immune system will be strong enough to fight back any kind of infections naturally. One thing to be cautious of, if you are a hypertensive patient and if you are taking medicines for high blood pressure, then you have to avoid the common salt. Then in that case, you have to take 1 teaspoon of turmeric and add it to your glass of milk and simply drink it. The second and important herb is ashwagandha. You can find ashwagandha at any local grocery store or even your Ayurvedic chemist. Take 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha, add it to your 1 glass of milk and drink it simply. If you have problem at digesting the milk, then you can add the 1 teaspoon of ashwagandha in hot or lukewarm water and drink it after stirring up. Ashwagandha is a natural agent to boost your immunity. It also acts as an antioxidant, also builds up your muscle power, and you can take it regularly for 15 to 20 days and see the results. One another natural herb is giloy. You can find giloy juice at any nearest Patanjali store, or you can get it from any Ayurvedic chemist also. There are syrups which are available containing giloy in the market, and you can take that syrups also. Aloe is a natural immunity booster and you can take 1 teaspoon twice a day for 15 to 20 days, empty stomach, and see the results. One of the oldest remedies for respiratory borne infections, and that is infections of your airway tract, which is called as kadha in the Indian medicine. You can prepare the kadha at your home by yourself. The key ingredients in the kadha are holy basil, that is tulsi, and clove, that is long, and black pepper, that is kali mirchi, along with jaggery, that is good. If you are preparing the kadha for 2 people, then you have to take 2 cups of water and add some amount of jaggery into it. You have to boil the water till the jaggery dissolves completely. While the water is boiling, you have to make a powder of the 2 to 3 cloves and 2 to 3 black pepper along with 3 to 4 leaves of holy basil, and add that powder into the boiling water. When the amount of water reduces to half of the initial volume, you have to just cool it down. Then simply filter it and drink it before going to sleep. If you drink this kadha for 7 to 10 days, then it will end any kind of respiratory infection, including cough and cold, runny nose, and sneezing. The important thing to note here is while drinking the kadha, you don't have to drink water after it. So if you are thirsty, then drink enough amount of water before drinking the kadha. Turmeric is a natural antibiotic for infections of throat and lungs. You can just take 1 bowl of lukewarm water and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric into it. Stir it well and gargle using that water for 30 to 60 seconds 2 times a day. A regular practice of these gargles will keep your throat infections away, and it will also help you to fight back against the common symptoms of COVID-19 too. If at all you fail to get any of these ingredients or these natural herbs at your home, then I will tell you some of the packaged Ayurvedic medicines that you can purchase from your nearby chemist, or you can order them online. These medicines contain all these ingredients which I have described in a correct amount. You can directly take these medicines to boost up your immune system. I must inform you here that this is not an sponsored video, and I will tell you 2 of the medicinal drugs here that are manufactured and marketed by Himalaya Drugs Limited. The first one is Oro Tea Gargles. Oro Tea is a natural antioxidant as well as turmeric containing gargle that you can use 10 ml twice a day. And second one is a medicine called Septilin. Septilin contains all the mentioned ingredients, and you can take 10 ml of Septilin syrup twice a day after meals, or it is also available in the bolus form, and you can take 1 tablet twice a day after meals for 10 to 15 days, and the result will be in front of you. That's all for this video. But if you have any problem regarding the ingredients of these medicines, or you have any health related issue, then you can ask me in the comment section below. And if you want to describe your problem in detail, then you can directly mail me. My mail address will be available on my channel page. Stay tuned for more informative videos like this. This is Dr. Pathak signing off. Goodbye.